Hello, I'm Will with Theater Designs. Today we'll be going over on how to reset your older Sonos equipment. This will work with all equipment that has the play pause button on top and the volume buttons underneath. It'll also work on the equipment that has the mute button on top and the volume buttons underneath. So just a quick disclaimer, this is going to wipe your Sonos clean, so if you want to start from scratch all over again, or if you're giving the equipment away to someone. So first things first, let's go ahead and unplug your equipment. So if it's plugged into the receptacle, let's unplug it, or if you're plugged into a surge protector, let's go ahead and turn it off, and keep it off, and keep it unplugged. Now we're ready to step 2, let's factory reset it. We're going to hold down the top 2 buttons on the Sonos unit. Then while you're holding those buttons down, we're going to plug it back in, keep holding the buttons, or if you're plugged into a surge protector, turn the surge protector on. And while the 2 buttons are being held, you're going to see a white flashing light, and then that light's going to turn into an amber orange color flashing light. The next light will be green. That's when you're properly factory reset. So once you see the green light, let go of the buttons. There we go. There's the green light. Now you can let go. Now you're properly factory reset. This next step is if you want to properly set up your Sonos equipment again. So let's go ahead and open up the S1 app. Then you can log into your account. Go under Systems, and we're going to add product. Then it's going to prompt you to plug in your Sonos equipment. It's going to search for it. We're going to hit set up this product and then follow the prompts to set it up again. And that's it. It was that easy. Have a good one.